This is a green surface mount IP67 rated emergency door release Callpoint. So this is for outside use, or maybe inside of a factory or a warehouse where you know you're going to have a lot of water. So you have this unit, and you get your instruction manual and the key for opening it. So I'll just run through that because this can confuse people sometimes. So you get this key here, and this is for setting and unsetting. If somebody's pushed down the glass on this, you can put your key in and it goes up, and then you turn the key and that's the unit reset. And when you actually want to do your install, this unit goes in. That's the front coming off it, and then you can get in here. That's your up and down. For the glass, you open this here with your Allen key, and you can get in at your terminations in at the back of it. And then when you have your open and closed contacts connected on it, you can pop your glass back into place. You put your cover back on, you tighten it in place with this key that you get with it, and then you can reset your glass, and that's you good to go with that. Yeah, neat unit if you're using them and you need an external or an IP67 rated emergency door release. That's the job for you. Thanks.